Hello everyone. Welcome again to Dark City, and this time we'll be doing more collectibles. This is a sample of my Zartan collection from G.I. Joe. Yes, I have several missing. I don't have the Master of Disguise 1:12. Most of what I have right now actually are the 3.25 inches. So just a quick look, and then we're going to do an unboxing for this guy, a Zartan G.I. Joe Sigma 6. So first things first, yeah. So these are loose items if you look closely. So these are two of the Zartan figures that I have. Again, they're loose. The one in front, this one in the gray armor, that's Resolute, if I'm not mistaken. And the sniper rifle that he's holding there. Let's open this. Oopie, sorry. All right, so this guy. All right, so the sniper rifle the sniper rifle that he's holding. This is the rifle he used to kill the Hardmaster in the Resolute cartoon or animation. This is the Resolute version, I believe, of the of Zartan. And this one is a regular Zartan with alternate armor. Let me just see, it's transparent there, right? Okay, so that out of the way, just a quick check of the others. So this is the Hall of Heroes Master of Disguise Zartan. Yes, actually all of the rest are still unopened. This is a G.I. Joe Retaliation. From the live action, you'll see the Rock there. This is the what was the actor's name? Arnold Vosloo or Vosloo something. Yeah, he's the guy who played the role. And this one has the eye that turns red. Yeah, so still unopened in its box. That's Retaliation. And this one, this is one of the better Zartan figures that I have. I really like the accessories that comes with this. He's wearing a different set of armor, and he looks like a shaman here. I forgot which animated movie or series this one came out on. So that's a Desert Battle Zartan right there. So yeah, very nice. It even comes with an extra falcon there. And then these are the more regular ones. It doesn't change color. These are the new, more posable ones. I actually have the old Zartan from the 80s, but it has missing pieces and it's really loose. The O-ring has melted, so I haven't done anything to fix that yet. And this one, yeah, this one has a color changing phase. So this is the one that changes color when it's exposed to sunlight. Just the face, not the rest of the body. And then this one, I don't know how I got this. This is an old one, Ninja Force Zartan. I got it for 119 bucks on sale somewhere. So those are the accessories. And it has the old articulation with the O-ring. And then this is of course, the G.I. Joe Classified size Zartan. I only have one of this. I'm planning to get the Master of Disguise one someday soon. And that out of the way, let's go ahead and unbox this guy. So this is again Zartan for the Sigma 6 animation. Let's look at the box. Okay, so this is the packaging. According to what we have here, these two can combine to become a weapons case. So this and this. All right, so that's the back. So Sigma 6 hasn't been getting a lot of love in the G.I. Joe fandom. I think a lot of the G.I. Joe aficionados really don't appreciate the Sigma 6 version or the Sigma 6 animation, but I watched it and it was, well, it's not the best, but it's passable, you know. So I'm opening it now. Okay, there we go. That was a difficult one. Okay, so this one can convert into a carrying case right there. So let's leave it here for now. We're not snapping anything else for now. So let's leave it there. And let's go to the meat of the packaging. Slide out. There we go. Let's be careful with the back of the packaging. Okay. There we go, Zartan. Why does it have batteries? I wonder what this is for. Damn. The batteries have already melted. I'm not sure if this would still work. That sucks. We'll check. I don't think I have any spare batteries lying around right now. I should have taken this off. I didn't realize it had batteries that needed, you know, to be removed. So let's see what this is for. Look at that cheese. I wonder what that's for. I didn't do much research. I just saw this in a Toy-Con and said, shoot, I have to have it. Okay, so the battery strings to the back there. So it's probably for one of these, probably the light there. Okay. Alright, so accessories. A shield with a dagger thing. A quiver for the arrows. Okay. There. I'll have to look into this. I'm not sure what this is for. Damn, okay. Now for the Zartan figure. Let's see. So this is the crossbow thing. Where's the pack? Oh, here. Alright, so manual. Removable clips and attach the figure's back. Wrap it around object or figure. Projectile. Okay. Alright. It's oh. Alright. This is the casing. Okay. Alright. Projectile. Okay. Does it shoot out or something? Maybe it used to. Or maybe the spring has died. Oh man. Should have opened this earlier so I could have made some adjustments. So here we are. This is the Zartan figure. So it can wind. This one they say can wind. So let's wind it in there. Okay. Alright. So it's a shield of sorts. This one is so sad. There. Oh. Now it should work. There. So it shoots projectile. So projectile 1. And there's an extra projectile there. So let's try this again. Let's slip it in. Click. It knocks. The bow opens up. Then this one, you press it and it goes flying away. Boop. Okay. Nice, nice so far. And the quiver, so you can put the arrow here, I guess, like so. All right, I can live with that. Now let's look at the figure. What we have here, the sides. Pocket. Okay. So there's a hole here, so you can probably put in some accessories on these two ends. Yeah, there. Okay. Let's check the articulation. The hand goes up, goes down, and it rotates. You can rotate it. So that's nice. Elbows can rotate as well. Arms can go wide, down. The armor, the shoulder pads are movable as well. Head 308 degree, 360. I'm not sure if we can take off the hood. I think we can. Okay, how about this? Okay, waist turns, turning waist, and then the torso bends up and down. Okay, so far so good. Pips on the back. Okay, how about the leg? Hips. Okay, knees, and the knees bend that way, in and out, not just up and down. Leg, you can tip it forward, tip forward. Not okay. So no, the articulation is fairly good. Okay. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Some technical difficulties. All right, so let's see what he looks like with the quiver on and the arrow across his arm here. Locked it into this one. There, slot it there. Okay. Then the other, this one, where does this go? Probably here. Okay. Yeah. So that's the battle mode. Zartan. Okay, so the Sigma 6 Zartan. There you go.